What's happening, guys? Jason from Aircooled Vintage Works. We got something new to show you guys. We're going to do an unboxing video of this brand new 15x8 4-lug Sprint Star that Empi just came out with. And if you saw the SEMA car, their buggy that they built, a Manx one, we'll put a picture up right here so you can see it. It had a staggered version of those on there, so like a 15.5 front, a 15.8 rear. This is the brand new first article. We just got a set of these in so we can show you guys what they look like. But first of all, I just want to point out these new boxes are awesome. It's got a lot of the Empi history on here, some cool vintage photographs and Empi cars, and you can see right there, there's a 4-lug Sprint Star on that one. But let's open it so you can see what they look like. Kind of exciting. I saw these on the SEMA buggy, and I thought that would be a great product if they could release it, and now they have. So all of you guys that are running 4-lug 4 on 130, you know, on your buggy or on a rail car or even a Baja, this is something that you definitely could put on your car. And like I said, I'm going to show you a staggered fitment that we have on our website now that you could get. But here's the wheel. Let's get it out of the box. Man, that sucker's big. Look at that. It's a 15x8. Okay. Kind of exciting. Oh man, look at that thing. Look at the lip on that. I mean, I've seen people put $100 bills in there. This is definitely wider than that. It's as wide as your hand. Cool black detailing with the polished spokes, and then you've got that nice polished lip on it too. I mean, if you were to try and put these on a Beetle with the right offset, or if you narrowed up your rear there, you could probably stuff this under the fender. That would look crazy. So check that thing out. That's a good looking wheel. And you can see they're super wide. That cool offset there too. And chances are, I mean, these are obviously made for a buggy or a Manx or something like that, but chances are you could probably get this onto a Bug or something like that pretty easily, and it would look killer. See if we can make this stay there for a second. And let's open up one of the original style ones. So this is a 15x5. Pull that thing out of there. That's what everybody's used to seeing. 15.5, now you got 15.8. That's pretty cool looking, because this has got that nice narrow lip. This one's got that super deep lip. I mean, if you're going to run some crazy camber in the rear and you put that thing on there, man, that'd look crazy. So we've got this set up. If you already have a buggy and you've already got these on it and you just want to upgrade to the 15.8s in the rear, we've got those on our website available separately. Or if you want to run a staggered set like this, we also have that on our website. So we'll send you a set of 4 wheels, 2 of the 15.5s and 2 of the 15.8s, and you'll be looking pretty good. So check these out in the wheels section of the website. They're up there right now.